Hey friends, in the last video we created this wonderful website for running club using a simple effective WordPress theme that is run club. You can watch the specific video as well. In this video I'm going to cover a very common question that I got today on the iCreate program on live chat. So the visitor, the creator of WordPress website who is creating a website using WordPress, of course, and a suitable WordPress theme, but he don't know how to edit the content, and he was having a very specific requirement. He was willing to change a specific text that was hard coded. So that was not available for edit. Like maybe, uh, uh, so the case was different. I am taking this example and the demo website. So like. Assume you are willing to change this text which is not available on the page builder. So since in WordPress website we always use, in the most of the cases we are using the page builders and the revolution sliders and even Gutenberg's editor and all such things. But I have seen in my experience, in our experience at our WordPress projects, website projects that is connected to iCreate program as well, that visitors or the creators don't know how to edit the text or the image, or how to find the image that they are actually willing to change. Like a visitor, WordPress website owner may wish to change this image, but he or she don't know how to edit this image or how to find this image. However, in this case, this website case, the editing is going to be very simple since it is a Gutenberg based WordPress theme. But I am covering all the templates, all the themes, and all the page builders in this question. And the question comes like this: how to change the text and images in bulk on a WordPress website. So I'm also including the term bulk, like if you are willing to change a certain text that is available throughout the website at multiple places, and you don't want to change the text going one by one to the pages and one by one. So how you can edit the particular text in bulk, and even how you can change the images, like one image or multiple image is being used on the website, and how you can replace a image by another image, and how you can replace the link and urls even. So in certain cases we may need to we may wish to, or we might have requirement to change multiple links at a time on a WordPress website. So how you can do this? So this is the main objective that I am going to cover in this video, and that is going to be super simple with a plugin that I am going to show you and I'm going to use in this video. The plugin is Search and Replace Everything, and you can get this plugin for free at WordPress repository itself. Yes, yes, you heard right. You can get this plugin for free at WordPress repository, and even you can upgrade to premium version depending upon your requirement. So what you can do with this plugin: you can replace the text, you can replace the images, you can replace the media, and you can preview the changes. And even the if you are having a big website, it is supported. The plugin supports those. The table selection option is here, that can be helpful in which table of database you actually want to make the changes. The use cases may be if you are migrating a site and wish to quickly update URLs or any site data when moving your site. The content updates, that is most commonly used case, and easily replace the outdated information or bulk update content across the post, pages, custom post types and all. Image management can be done, like you can replace outdated images or avoid duplicate uploads. And media updates, of course, replace media files in any format across your website. Like if you are using the PNG files, you can change the JPG files from the same image. Okay, so this is really going to be very helpful, and it is going to save lots of your time, and you are going to and use this plugin for your regular activities. Okay, so now let us go to the case. So if okay, so like let us take a simple example. This is a text on the website, Marathon Event 2024. I want to change this text. However, it can be changed easily using the page builder, but I am assuming that I am unable to find the text, how to edit this text and how I can edit this text. So I wish to change this text Marathon Event 2024 and I wish to place the running event 2025. Okay, so let us do this. So I have already installed the plugin and this is the plugin interface that I can show you. It is very simple to use, just like you are using find and replace option on your Word file. So find and replace is available under tools menu. So what I'm going to do, I'll copy this text that I wish to change here. So I am searching for this and I am going to type running event 2025. So we can choose the case sensitive if we are willing to search for case sensitive case, and so we can have this and select the tables in which you want to search. Like if you are not sure in which table this text may exist, so you can simply select all and simply click on preview and search and replace. So I'm showing how simple it is. So it is running for searching for the text that we wish to change here and it is going to work. I am sure. Yes, it's one text is found. If there are multiple text, multiple pages, multiple rows that uh, where the text can be found, it will be listed here. So in this case, what I am searching, only one uh, instance is found. I'm in row 45, the post content, this is the table, and we are going to change this one like marathon event 2024 so to running event 2025. So I'm going to simply click on to press all, and it is just asking to reconfirm because it is very important thing. So and even you need to take the backup of database just in case even you might by mistake you can even change the theme name that is going to uh, stop your site from running. So like what can be the common mistakes I can show you, like the backup your database is required because common mistakes may be partial matches, the case sensitivity, URL replacement. So this can be a common mistake case. Okay, so now since it is done and processing completed, I'm going to refresh this just to check the it is running event 2025. Is not it simple? Yes, it is. And I'm going to show you another super feature of this plugin that is also available for free is the history that you can find what has been changed and when the change okay is. So it is available in pro feature. Okay, not to worry. So we can make another history in Excel files, but yes, just in case if you are willing to have this feature, you can upgrade to pro, and I'm going to add all the links in the description of this video. In the light version, you are going to get most basic things that you need for your website, like the table selection, the search and replace across your website and all. In the pro versions, you are going to get the history, like full history of replacement made, undo any search. So undo is available in the pro version. So this is always important. Just in case if you made a mistake, you can do undo. Okay, preview history and the replace. So these are some functions that is available in the pro version. But yes, in the free version, you are going to get all these things that can be enough for your website at initial stage at least. So the main thing that I wish to show you, the replace media option. This is really that you may be looking for because in certain cases we are unable to locate the media files where we can make the changes. So you can search or find all the media items here that is listed on the that is being used on your WordPress website, and you can simply select any of these media elements to make a change. Like I just selected this, so we can simply replace source file, required fields market, and we can simply opt to have replace source file, and we can, like, this is the replace source file option that can be helpful for changing the media content. Okay, so this is the option. So earlier it is and we can choose the file that we want to change here, and simply the effect can be made. So this is the main functionality. So text and images, you can run search and change in no time using this search and replace everything plugin. So this plugin has been developed by the WP Code. Their itself, their big name WP Code has given multiple useful plugins to WordPress websites, and I can always rely on the WP Code. The code quality is really good, very good for this plugin, and it works very well. So I'm sure this plugin is going to help you and going to save much of your time, and it is going to be helpful in every manner that you are willing to. And in the next video, I'm coming with more resources for your WordPress website. Till then, goodbye. Keep watching. Thank you.